Hey everybody, my name is Corrado Ranjo. I'm a real estate broker here in Toronto, Canada. I've been investing in stocks for about a year now, so I'm not an expert or a financial advisor, and I just make these videos for fun late at night when I have some free time. So it's for entertainment purposes only. In this video, I'm going to talk about my Tesla stock prediction and why I think there's a really good chance of the stock hitting $650 this week. I got really lucky November 16th and I bought at $406.50. Man, I was this close of not buying. So I got really lucky. I'm not going to lie. Black Friday, it almost hit $600 and closed at $585.76. Here's a question for you. Let's say that you bought 100 Tesla shares at the same price that I paid November 16th, which was $406.50. Would you sell and take your profit, or would you just hold long term? I want to know your answer. Leave it in the comment section below. This Tesla S&P 500 inclusion is massive. I don't think that most people realize how big of a deal this is. I read a lot of reports, and this was a very unusual announcement. With previously included companies, normally there's a few days of notice, but because of the size of Tesla, we're given over a month of notice, and Tesla is one of the largest companies to ever be included in the index. So the reports are saying that they're thinking of breaking it up in two tranches, December 14th and December 21st. And this is one of the reasons why we're having a massive run-up. Here's what the report said on spglobal.com. I'll leave a link in the description just in case you want to download both reports. Here's the first report titled Tesla set to join the S&P 500. Tesla Inc., symbol TSLA, will be added to the S&P 500 effective prior to the open of trading on Monday, December 21st to coincide with the December quarterly rebalance. Due to the large size of the addition, S&P Dow Jones Indices is seeking feedback through a consultation to the investment community to determine if Tesla should be added all at once on the rebalance effective date or in two separate tranches ending on the rebalance effective date. Tesla will replace a S&P 500 company to be named in a separate press release closer to the rebalance effective date. The value of a spot in the S&P 500 varies based on each company's weight in the index. In Tesla's case, Howard Silverblatt, senior index analyst at S&P Dow Jones Indices, estimates inclusion will generate about $53 billion worth, and that will change each day of new demand for shares. 17.2% of the index is held by indexes. So those indexes have to buy Tesla, good, bad, or indifferent. And in order to do that $53 billion, they have to get the money from somewhere, which means they have to sell the other 499. So S&P is now doing what's called a normal rebalance. Every quarter, they go through and they change shares and weightings for practically every single company. The last quarter was 483 in the S&P 500 changed. That permits indexes to buy and sell and kind of match it up to some degree. Right now, Tesla would be the 14th largest company in the S&P 500. Don't hold me to it. I'm not sure if it's changed from November 16th when they were announced to be added in the S&P. This analysis presumes that passive fund heavyweights like Vanguard and Fidelity will be forced to add Tesla to their S&P 500 tracking ETFs. I checked out Tesla's market cap today, and it's no longer $420 billion. It has now boomed to over $550 billion, which is now approximately 1.42% of the S&P 500, which is going to take around $65 billion to go into these funds. That's a massive increase. With all this going on, we don't know exactly when Tesla will be put in all these index funds, because I don't think all the index funds do the same thing. I always think about what's going to happen short term with Tesla or in the next 30 days, especially knowing everything we just talked about. This is why I'm personally invested long term with the stock, because I'm not quite sure. I personally don't think it's a good time to put a lot of money into Tesla unless you're going to be in it for the next 5 to 10 years, and then I think it can go to $1,000 to even $3,000 per share. I think we're going to see a lot of volatility with Tesla in the next little while. I also think that the stock can go to $650 this week if the markets are stable and if the markets are favoring us. But if there's any bearish news or any bearish catalysts, the stock is going to drop. So my plan is to hold on to those shares that I bought at $406.50 on November 16th, and we'll see how it plays out. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I put out a new video. Again, please remember that these videos are for entertainment purposes only. Adios. Hey guys, it's Corrado. If you want to watch more videos, just click over here. If you want to subscribe, which that would make me really happy, just click over here. Have you subscribed yet? I need an espresso.